ladies, do your husband snore? Because I found a simple solution to help with that. All you need to do is slap on some of this Mog Mouth Tape to help with that snoring. My husband was snoring for hours every single night and it was driving me crazy. I found this mouth tape and it has truly been helping his snoring. I'm getting a better night's sleep and it's breathable. You can see it's very stretchy and you can still breathe through it because there's tiny little holes. So if you have a husband or a partner that snores like crazy and you're just like losing sleep over it, definitely try this. You get a 3-month supply that they send you for such an affordable price plus free 3-day shipping. So I'm gonna leave it tagged right here if you want to check it out.